Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got another jewelry lot in. This is from Cindy Loves Jewelry, and I will put her link in the description below. I ordered something for my daughter and something for myself, and then she did an ending lot and the price was so low I couldn't resist. So there were a couple things I seen that I could list and make my money back easily, but I'm going to offer it to you guys first. First we have this Senorita clasp, and it is by the Loft, and it has all these little dangles. It looks like it needs to be cleaned. It doesn't really look like wear, maybe hairspray or something on it. But if anybody is interested in this piece, see if I can show you how it lays. Kind of. You can have it for $3. Some of this stuff I will just be putting back into a lot, and a couple of things I will be listing on their own. This was one of the things in the lot that I seen that lists and sell well. These are Anne Klein. And if anybody is interested in those, we can do those for $8. Okay. I got a tangle. She did have this all individually bagged, but for time's sake, I went ahead and took it out of the bag. We have some acrylic white beads. They kind of look like milk glass with a spring ring clasp. And if anybody is interested in that, we can do that for $3. Tangles. I did the tangles too. It was me. I dumped it all out here. I love these. These are wood and they are painted. These are really beautiful. And there's the back of them. And if anybody's interested in those, we can do those for $4. And this is something I ordered. My daughter's got a birthday coming up and I thought she might like this, but I'm not sure. It's got this iridescent butterfly in it. I hope that's showing up okay. And it is by Avon. And I will part with this one. If anybody is interested in this beautiful butterfly, we can do that one for, let's do, I don't remember what I paid. Let's do $8 on it. Because I ended up finding something else for my daughter. Okay, we have this really fun lucite necklace on this like rope cord. It is by Chico's. Chico's is another brand that lists, okay? And it is just on this long cord. And this is like a big, beautiful statement medallion. And for this one, if anybody's interested, we can do $6. And then there's this pair of wood button clip-on earrings. If anybody's interested in those, we can do them for $2. And then we have another tangle. There's this stretch bracelet. It's got really good stretch, gold tone. We can do that one for $3. And we have a cuff bracelet. And it says Friends Forever. And it is by Rustic Cuff. Rustic Cuff actually has a pretty good resale value when you list it online. If anybody's interested in this one, we can do it for $6. We have this faux leather little heart necklace with these little rhinestones in there, and we can do that one for $3. And then we have this little ring, and I do have my mandrel here. It is adjustable, but it is sitting at about a 5 right now. We can do that one for $3. And then we have this little double strand bracelet with these links and faux pearls. And if anybody's interested in that one, we can do it for $3. Let's do these. Let me take it off the card and make sure that it is signed. It's on this card that says Napier. Yeah, it's Napier button earrings. And put it back on the card. They're in really good condition, and these are faux pearls, and we can do those for $8. And then we have another similar pair, and I already have taken these off the card. They are not signed, but I can do those for $3 if anybody's interested. Trying to work through the tangle here. So we have somebody has a name. Yep, I can't read that. But it is gold tone. And we have this glass rhinestone and a little tassel. This looks like it's in new condition. Oh, that has to be crystal. Look at all that sparkle. Or maybe it's the way it's cut. We can do that one for $3. This is a piece I ordered. I like this one a lot. It is these little links, and then it's got these tiny little bezel set uranium glass stones in it. It's very cute. This is a short one. It is about 16 inches. But if anybody's interested in that one, we could do $12 on it. There's only one of those. We have a stretch bracelet. It says Woman of God. Has a rhinestone cross, a Woman of God, and then it says Proverbs 31. Good stretch on that. If anybody's interested, we can do it for $3. Here's another little bracelet. It's not focusing for me today. All right, so this is like, I'm not sure what this material is. Some sort of rubber cord. It does have a RC on it, so I don't know. Maybe that's rustic cuff again. And it says stainless steel there. We can do that one for $3. Focus, little camera, come on. We have a little wreath brooch. That's cute. I don't see a signature on it. We can do that one for $3. And this one is not signed. I thought that one would be. So we have this V shape with these rhinestones in them. Again, I don't know why my camera's making things look dark. Then it's got these double rope chain, and it has this barrel clasp. And if anybody's interested in that one, we can do it for $5. Let's see. This one I am going to keep, but I'll show you. It is Steve Madden little link necklace here, and my daughter will love that. So that will be one of her birthday presents. We have a little silver tone bracelet. It is Premier Designs, and it is about a 7-inch bracelet. I'm gonna clip it back. It felt a little wonky when I was unclipping it. So the clasp works. It went back that time. It kind of got stuck the time before, but it's working. Okay, and then we have all these cute little charms on here. We have a cross with a PD for Premier Designs. And then we have a little ring with, I'm not in the camera, a little ring with an AB rhinestone and a crown and a heart. We can do that one for $5 if anybody's interested. Then we have this one. Hold on, I got it tangled up, of course. Well, this looks like two different necklaces, but I'm not sure. Nope, it's just one. So this has a wear. No, it doesn't. I was thinking it was gold tone. It must have been reflecting off the other one. Silver tone. It has a lobster claw clasp. Yeah, maybe it has wear like on these beads. So we can do this one for $1 if anybody's interested. And here is a little strand of faux pearls. They look brand new. They are lightweight acrylic. We can do those for $2. Those are cute for a little girl. And then we have a pair of clip-on earrings. These are Monet. I love Monet bags. They're the most comfortable clip-ons you can wear. And they are in beautiful condition. We can do those for $7 if anybody's interested. And then we have this. I can't read that. I think it's 18 karat gold plated, but it looks silver tone to me with these faux pearls. But it's really cute, and I got it tangled in a knot. I will untangle it later. If anybody is interested in this one, I can't get it in the frame. With a little faux pearls, we can do that one for $3, and I will untangle it for you. Let me get these out of the way. So she always puts stickers in the package, which I really like because I use them to seal packages like bubble wrap or something. So I like that she gives you stickers. I'm going to get them out of the way because it's covering up stuff. Okay, we have a pair of silver tone clip-on earrings. These are glass and rhinestone. They're really pretty, actually. We can do those for $3. Let's do this one. And this is a toggle closure and a gold tone link necklace. It looks to be collar length. And there is the back of it. And we can do that one for $6 if anybody's interested. And then we have another Premier Designs. And this is a cross. This is beautifully made. Those look like CZs in there. I don't know if they use Swarovski or not, but it's well made. And it's open on the back. And we can do that one for $8. That one's really well made. I like Premier Designs. I think they're underrated. I really do. I think they don't get enough love. We have another pair of clip-on earrings. They're lightweight. We can do those for $3. And then we have, this is the one that I got tangled and everything. It is gold tone, long chain. This is a long necklace. And then it has this large, sparkly crystal rhinestones. And these long 3 tassels that are hanging down from it. And I can do that one for $6. And then this is what really got my eye. These are Ellen Designs, and they have a really good resale value. They need to be cleaned up. I'm going to have to put some new ear pads on them. But there's the signature. I have ear pads already, so I will clean that off and put new backs on it. It is coming across black. This is navy blue. And if anybody is interested in those, we can do them for $14. Very 1980s. And then we have, what was this one? I can't read that. Another Avon piece. I like this one too. It's a little bow And I think that's just made to look like marcasites. Yeah, that's not marcasites, but it does look just like it is marcasites. And I can do that one for $6. And then up last, we have another gorgeous pair of clip-on earrings with these crystals, these bicone crystals, and then faux pearls. Tons of sparkle on that. And they have that kind of back. And I can do those for $8 if anybody's interested. If you like anything you've seen here, my email is going to be in the description below. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.